Hello. Welcome to the Viral Academy. Hello and good morning. Today we are going to look at the Haldex clutch on the VW Tiguan. Johannes will explain the basics. Here we see the rear axle gearbox with the integrated Haldex clutch. This is supposed to transmit the drive power to the rear axle when needed. This is done via a multiplate clutch. There are several metal discs lined up. They are pressed together with the help of this electro-hydraulic pressure regulator. The power from the crankshaft is transmitted via the discs and the differential to the wheels via the drive shafts. Through intelligent all-wheel electronics, which are able to measure exactly how much power is needed at the rear wheels, it is possible to transmit the power continuously. The stepless control causes abrasion on the fins. For this reason, the oil should also be changed. The maintenance interval for this vehicle is 36 months. The following components are relevant for maintenance: the oil drain plug, the filler and inspection plug, and the filter behind this cap. For maintenance we need the special VA Haldex oil and a filter unit. Let's take a closer look at these. Here is the cover with the screws, the corresponding seals and the filter insert. Then, very important, a new drain and filler plug with associated seals. We work here with our tried and tested VAICO filling device with a special adapter that we have built here. A hose that is a little smaller than the filler opening helps here so that the air can come out again when filling. Before we start working, we should read out the error memory. We have checked the error memory. There is no error. Now we are about to drain the oil. The oil temperature should be between 20 and 40 degrees Celsius. For maintenance, the filler plug should be removed first. Then the drain plug should be removed. Do not get irritated. The screw has a long thread. Quite dark. So it does something. It is otherwise not very noticeable. An oil filter is installed in the Haldex gearboxes version 1 to 4. This must also be changed. From version 5 onwards, no filter is installed. The test drive was very good. Now we have to check for leaks again. Alright, then we'll drive the car up. That looks good. That's it from us on the subject of the Haldex clutch. We hope the video was helpful and informative. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or suggestions, please send us a comment.